Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix camera error in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if your camera is not working in your device Infinix Hot 20, you can fix this problem by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if camera is not working in your device.